Welcome to ETH Daily, a daily briefing on the latest in Ethereum. Optimism introduces the OP stack, zkSync integrates its end-to-end zk prover, SpruceID introduces EIP 5573, and Forta partners with Alchemy to provide tooling. All this and more from ETH Daily starts right now. Optimism introduced the OP stack, a set of modular components that can be assembled to build customized blockchains. Each component implements a specific layer of the stack. Developers can modify existing modules or create entirely new modules to fit any use case. Custom chains built using the stack are referred to as OP chains. The release marks Optimism's first step into Layer 3s. Chains that share a sequencer can unlock cross-chain composability, allowing for atomic interactions. Optimism refers to integrated OP chains with shared sequencing and messaging layers as the superchain. Optimism also aims to release its Bedrock upgrade in the next few months. zkSync successfully completed the integration of proof merging, an end-to-end zk prover that includes proof generation, aggregation, and verification on-chain. Developers can now experience validity proofs on the zk EVM public testnet. Proof merging offers public verification of the validity proofs generated by the rollup. Fully functional circuits were used in the zkSync dev environment prior to the release. The validity proofs mark the last critical element for the alpha version of the zk EVM, which will launch to mainnet in 11 days. The launch will initially be released without any external projects, followed by a fair launch onboarding process. Web3 identity project SpruceID introduced EIP 5573, an extension specification for sign-in with Ethereum called Recap. EIP 5573 allows off-chain applications to combine authentication using sign-in with Ethereum and authorization to third-party data. The approvals can be made with a single wallet interaction. SpruceID defines a recap as a valid sign-in with Ethereum message that follows additional structure defined in EIP 5573. Recap enforces informed consent, which shows users the exact permissions that will be granted. The EIP also allows Ethereum wallets to delegate recaps to a delegate through informed user consent. Blockchain monitoring platform Forta partnered with Alchemy to provide infrastructure tooling for Forta scan node operators. Alchemy is offering Forta scan node operators with 10% off the Alchemy Growth tier, which includes access to Supernode, a proprietary blockchain engine used by OpenSea, Royal, Meta, and Adobe. Alchemy's Supernode API ensures data correctness and seamless scaling for dApps. Supernode also includes enhanced API methods and upgraded WebSockets. Forta allows users to create customized detection bots for on-chain activity. Forta users can sign up to receive real-time alerts based on smart contract events and conditions. And lastly, the voting phase for the first SafeDAO ecosystem proposal has started. The proposal aims to implement a participation agreement among SafeDAO participants to provide an operating framework for the DAO. The proposal is now available for review on Snapshot until October 18th, after which voting will go live for 7 days. SafeDAO's native Safe token is initially non-transferable and will need to undergo a governance vote in a subsequent proposal to enable transferability. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories from ETH Daily. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us on Twitter at ETHDaily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.substack.com. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.